In a perfect world of landlord-tenant relations, the rent is never late. There are never maintenance problems, emergencies, or any other difficulties. Tenants are never angry. However, this delightful scenario is usually not the case, and difficult situations take serious consideration and action. However, as your property management company, we're here to serve as a buffer between owner and tenant during unpleasant events. When facing an angry tenant, it's not a wise move to point out that you have not caused their problems and they're being unreasonable. Ignoring tenant demands, maintenance issues, or emergencies will only escalate matters at hand. As professional property managers, we know there are key steps to take when facing difficult issues. First, we define the problem as clearly as possible. Taking the time to listen patiently to the angry tenant can reveal there may be more happening than the immediate issue. An example, a tenant is unreasonably angry and threatening non-payment of rent because the dishwasher quit working. Of course, this is unreasonable for a non-emergency repair. Then they reveal they're worried about a very bad performance review at work. The dishwasher was simply the catalyst for their outrage because they fear losing their job and the ability to meet their rental obligations. Next, taking steps to resolve the issue as soon as possible is vital when faced with an angry resident. Delays or avoidance of the situation will increase the tenant's aggravation and could possibly give them grounds for future legal action. During any difficult situation, it's important to keep the residents informed by written or verbal communication until you achieve resolution. If they feel no one is responding to their problems, they'll only become more antagonistic. Example, scheduling the dishwasher repair can help diffuse the tenant's anger. Then, discussing their financial concerns and options on what to do if they lose their job may reduce their anxieties and hostility. Showing the tenant that you have enough concern to verify that a repair was successful, an emergency resolved, or to inquire about their welfare can make a big difference in the landlord-manager-tenant relationship. In addition, finding out in advance there are still more problems to solve could prevent more conflicts with the tenant. Most tenant issues work out peacefully. However, there are many times when problems can escalate and the services of an experienced attorney in landlord-tenant law are required for resolution and expediency. If another issue arises with the same tenant or the same problem reoccurs, it's important to show what action items took place. Keeping an orderly and complete record of everything, such as work orders, paid bills, written correspondence, verbal conversations, and more, is a necessity. The way to resolve tenant issues is to listen, plan a course of action, communicate, follow up, and document all actions. This is part of our commitment to provide professional property management and protect your investment.